Hello, welcome back another video. Today we're discussing if your vehicle's CV joint is not working properly. It's essential to address this issue promptly, as it can affect your car's drivability and safety. Here are steps to consider. Number 1. Diagnose the problem. Listen for clicking or popping noises when turning. This could be a sign of a worn CV joint. Inspect the CV joint boots for tears or damage. If the grease inside is exposed, it may lead to joint failure. Number 2. Consult a mechanic. It's advisable to take your vehicle to a qualified mechanic or a trusted repair shop for a professional diagnosis. Repair or replace. Number 3. Depending on the extent of the damage, your mechanic will recommend repairing or replacing the CV joint. If the CV joint is severely damaged or has excessive wear, replacement is often the safest option. Number 4. Regular maintenance. To prevent future issues, make sure your vehicle undergoes regular maintenance, including checking CV joints and their boots. Number 5. Follow professional advice. Follow your mechanic's recommendations, as they can assess the specific condition of your CV joint and provide the best solution. Number 6. Ensure safety. Driving with a damaged CV joint can be dangerous, so prioritize safety and address the issue promptly. Remember that neglecting CV joint issues can lead to more extensive and costly repairs, so it's wise to address them as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.